bizani ko'targan masalalarimiz bo'yicha ham xabar bergan ikkita temamiz bor. Bittasi NBS qaytishi uchun tizimga yuklagan hujjatlarimizni hammasini tizim qabul qilgan, lekin tizimga yuklangan hujjatlarimiz hammasi to'g'rimi, yo'qmi?
Then of course we have to upload all this stuff, therefore we don't have any issue in understanding what we once uploaded. Thanks to say, okay, is this okay or not okay? This is how it should be. We don't charge anything for the meal to our employee. We give them for free.
Mas'ulimiz
Is that any different from the tax?
Tizimga nimadir hujjatlar yuklashni oldik, ko'rib, misal turib gapirib, kamchilik ko'rsatib berish, birga ishlaysan. Ular bir muammo bo'lmasin bular.
You know, our pattern, and it's going to be easier for us making business here.
Sizga yana bir marta alohida taşekkürler bildiramiz.
Sizlarga katta rahmat. Investorlarning O'zbekistonga kirib kelishidan biz katta manfaatdormiz. Avvalambor bizga katta soliq to'lash bo'lyaptilar. Ham shunda ishimizni ish bilan ta'minlab bergilar. O'shani bizneslarga rivojlantiramiz. Har qanday yordam berishga biz tayyormiz.
He also thanking you for continuation of your works here.
Rahmat.
Rahmat.